So just have a brush up through the journal entries under data system. The first system, goods sent to branch by HO, goods returned to branch by HO, then cash remitted to branch, expenses given to branch, I mean expenses paid by the HO on behalf of the branch. Then provision for expenses related to the branch, charging depreciations on assets used at branch, cash remitted by branch to the HO. Okay, I had told you you have to assume that whatever cash is there with the branch at the end of the day, it will be returned to the HO on the same day. Okay, yeah. Remember this for solving sum. Then money received from third party with respect to branch sales or income. Okay, that is amount received from customer or any other miscellaneous income of branch by the HO. Okay, after this, okay, just mention that when you close a branch account, okay, the balancing figure will go to trading account. Okay, so just write journal entry number 9. Yeah, close branch account. Okay. Now, before closing branch account, just make a note of this. Yeah. There will be something called as goods sent to branch account. GSTB account we will make ना, तो उसको भी close करना पड़ेगा. So if that is there, then you have to close GSTB account. Okay. So write down close. Yeah. Close GSTB account. Okay. So whenever you close the goods sent to branch account, the balancing figure will go to trading account. Okay, fine. So just write will be transferred to trading account. Okay, will be transferred to trading account. Okay, so write the journal entry GSTB goods sent to branch account debit. Okay, to purchase account. To purchase account. Okay, or you can write to trading account एक ही बात है. Okay, so this entry obviously will not be there in the question paper. When you close the ledgers, that time you have to remember this. Okay, so is this entry clear to everyone? Okay, then you have to close your PNL account. If there is any PNL account, profit or loss at branch, balancing figure in the branch account. Okay, right now, profit or loss at branch. Okay, so just write down balancing figure in branch account. Okay, and just write the journal entry branch account debit to PNL account. Okay, तो ये तो हुआ प्रॉफिट का एंट्री. ओके, बिकॉज मैंने क्या लिखा है आइदर प्रॉफिट और लॉस, तो दिस इज प्रॉफिट एंट्री. अगर लॉस हुआ तो एंट्री को रिवर्स कर देना. ठीक है, इफ देर इज अ लॉस देन यू जस्ट रिवर्स द एंट्री. ओके, सो What entry you will pass? PNL account debit to branch account. Okay, and here you mention if loss. If loss. Next, 9, 10, the 11th one. Assets, assets at branch at the end of the year. Okay, so you just have to transfer them. It's mere transfer entry. You will be having opening assets, so you'll have closing assets as well. Okay, similarly, you will have liabilities. Same branch account. You will be having opening liability and you will transfer closing liabilities. Okay, is this clear till here? Okay, and just write a note here. Mention this note. Assets and liabilities of the branch at the end of the accounting year will appear in HO balance sheet in the beginning In the beginning of the next year, they will be transferred to branch account. Okay, even this you have to remember for sum solving. Okay, so don't forget this. So, what will happen? Now, just make a note of this. So, for branch assets, and for branch liability. So, this will appear like this: branch account debit to branch assets. This is in the books of HO, students. Don't forget that. और ये हो जाएगा branch liability to branch. Okay, and you must be thinking, then मैम ने ये एंट्री पास किया. दिस इज फ्रॉम, या ये देखो, एसेट्स एट ब्रांच एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर. तो ये ब्रांच के बुक्स में ऐसे दिखेगा, बट व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज राइट नाउ एचओ के बुक्स में वो क्या दिखेगा. एचओ क्या करेगा, एट द एंड ऑफ द अकाउंटिंग ईयर इट विल क्लोज द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स एंड इट विल ट्रांसफर इट टू द नेक्स्ट अकाउंटिंग ईयर. तो नेक्स्ट अकाउंटिंग ईयर में आप कैसे लिखोगे, ब्रांच अकाउंट डेबिट टू ब्रांच एसेट्स, राइट. ये एंट्री को रिवर्स करोगे ना. सो इट इज इन कनेक्शन टू दैट. एम आई क्लियर अबाउट दिस? समझ में आया? इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरी वन टिल योर? Okay, now, so this completes. Now we will make, I will give you a pro forma of branch account. Okay, एक छोटा सा हम प्रोफॉर्मा बनाएंगे ब्रांच अकाउंट का. ठीक है, सो राइट हियर प्रोफॉर्मा या फॉर्मेट यू कैन राइट प्रोफॉर्मा ऑफ branch account. Okay, so right now in the books of HO, we will make a branch account. Branch account. Okay, let's make a branch account. Okay, start. Particulars amount. Okay. Yeah, just remember in the books of HO. Okay. Yeah, तो पहला चीज क्या आएगा? Opening balance of, I mean, assets. You can write to balance carried down, brought down, or you can write to opening balance. I would prefer this. This would be easy for reference. Or you can write to opening assets. So this is the opening balance. Okay. So opening assets में क्या क्या आएगा? Whatever is given in the question. Opening stock, opening debtors, opening prepaid expenses. ये भी current assets है ना? Prepaid expenses, opening petty cash. I'm giving you all the possibilities. Opening fixed assets, these are all assets, and opening cash. ये सब आएगा. ठीक है? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the possibilities. Okay? Then credit side में क्या होगा? Opening liability. Obviously. Opening balance of liability. So what all items you will have in this? Outstanding expenses, yes. Creditors, yes. Okay, that's it. Okay, फिर वो जो भी हमने journal entries pass की, see all these journal entries which I just showed you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all these journal entries will come here. Okay, so I'm just giving the effect in the ledger. Okay, we have already passed the journal entries. I'm just giving the effects in the ledger. Okay, so just write down along with me to GSTB account, then to cash, I mean to cash bank. This is for remittance to branch, मतलब HO दे रहा है पैसा, remitted to branch. This entry we have done. Then again to cash bank. Being more specific here, this is with respect to expenses of branch paid by HO obviously. Okay. देन ये जो जीएसटी भी है इसका रिटर्न्स का एंट्री याद आया? हाँ, तो वो भी आएगा बाय जीएसटी भी अकाउंट. ओके, देन दिस इज रिटर्न्स वाला एंट्री है. देन बाय कैश बैंक, ये कौन सा एंट्री है? रेमिटेंस टू ब्रांच. ब्रांच ने एचओ को पैसा दिया. Remitted by customer of branch to HO. And here you, if you're feeling this Right, remitted to HO. This will be more easy for you to remember. This is remitted to branch matlab remitted by HO. This will be more easier, okay? Change it like this. This will be easier. Okay, next will be that closing entry. Okay, here. Just leave 2-3 lines and then show the closing entry. Okay, students, leave 2-3 lines, then show the closing entry. There is a reason for it. Okay, so right here. यहाँ था क्या ये ओपनिंग एसेट, इधर लिखो क्लोजिंग एसेट. ओके, क्लोजिंग एसेट. Okay, this is closing balance of asset. So whatever you had started with here, same thing you write here. I had started with stock, with debtors, और क्या था next? Prepaid expense. What was next? Petty cash. Petty cash. और क्या था? Fixed assets and cash. Okay, started with all this. Yeah, close with all that. Okay, same way. Opening balance of credit liability to show here. Yeah, sorry, two. Yeah, two closing liability. That is the closing balance. क्या क्या था उसमें? Outstanding expenses था और creditors था. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So when you close this ledger, जब आप ये ledger close करोगे, आपको एक balance मिलेगा और वो बैलेंस होगा आपका P&L. ठीक है, इधर आएगा या इधर आएगा बैलेंस. ठीक है, समझ में आया एवरीवन? दैट्स इट. इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन? सो व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट? ये ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ एसेट्स साथ में क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ एसेट्स भी होगा. ओके, ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ लाइबिलिटी, you will have closing balance of liability also. Okay, and all the related entries which I explained to you in the last lecture, usko you are going to, yeah, post it into the ledger, close the ledger, and you will get P&L. That's it. That's it. Okay, and generally opening balances will be given to you. Closing balances, few things will not be given to you. So obviously we will be finding it by making a separate ledger for that. Obviously, that is the tedious part. That will be the tedious part of the question. Closing balances, few closing balances they will not give you. I'm not saying all the closing balance will not be given in the question paper, but few will not be given. So that we will have to find. Okay. So I hope I'm clear to everyone till here, whatever I have explained. So next lecture we can start on with sums.